Hola amigos, welcome back to our channel Biotechnological, and today we are going to discuss about UNICEF free courses with free certificates. Guys, UNICEF एक बहुत बड़ी इंटरनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है जो आपके लिए कोर्सेज प्रोवाइड कर रही है एंड इफ यू सक्सेसफुली कंप्लीट दिस कोर्सेज यू आर एबल टू गेट द सर्टिफिकेट. आई डोंट थिंक यूनिसेफ को इंट्रो की ज़रूरत है, बट अगर किसी को नहीं पता है तो यूनिसेफ स्टैंड्स फॉर यूनाइटेड नेशंस इंटरनेशनल चाइल्ड एजुकेशन फंड. It is an agency of United Nations which is responsible for providing humanitarian and development aid to children worldwide. Guys, having an international certificate is a very good thing. So I think you should enroll that courses. So today in this video, we'll see how to register, how to enroll in these courses, how to complete the course and get the certificate. So let's begin. So let's start with the video. So what you have to do, guys, just click on the link which is given in the description box. तो आप इस पेज पे आ जाओगे. फर्स्टली यहाँ पे आपको रजिस्टर करना होगा, तो जस्ट क्लिक ऑन द रजिस्टर. Here you have to register yourself by entering your name, means username, then your password, then your email address. You just have to confirm your email address by entering it again. Then your first name, your last name, your city or town, and your country. So in this additional details you have to write if you're connected with any NGO or something. If you're not, then just click on non-affiliated or other. Next you have to specify your organization name. If you're connected with any organization, just write the name of that NGO, or if you're not connected, just write it as a student. Okay, so next what you have to do, you have to clear this captcha by clicking on I am not a robot, and you have to click on create my new account. So you can see that the account has been created and they are asking to confirm your email address. तो आपको मेल पे जाके confirm करना है आपका account. Now just have to click on the login and log in as a guest or partner. Then you have to write your login ID or mail ID and then password. This kind of page will appear. Okay, so you have to click on the catalog. Here you can see the whole list of courses. बहुत सारे courses है guys. You can see here I'm scrolling down. बहुत सारे courses है. So you can select any of the course. यहाँ पे आप कोई कीवर्ड भी सर्च कर सकते हो, लाइक वैक्सीन, इम्यूनाइजेशन, तो आपको वो टाइप के कोर्स मिल जाएंगे. As a biotech and life science students, I'll suggest you can do the VVM, this vaccine vial monitors, and temperature monitoring in vaccine cold chain. Immunization के भी बहुत सारे courses हैं. You can see them. For example, I'll select VVM, vaccine vial monitors. Clicking on here, you will get all the information about this course, the learning objective, the length of the course. It says it should take about 20 minutes to complete this self-paced course. Here is the structure of the course, which consists almost one module. Guys, किसी course में test भी हो सकती है, so you have to just complete it. So to enroll in this course, you have to click on this green button. It says join this activity. So the course starts from here. You can watch this video and carry on your course. This will be the introduction. You have to complete all the course, watch these videos. If there are any tests, you have to complete the test. For certificate, you have to click here on your profile and you can see here the courses you have enrolled or you have completed. The course you have completed, उसके सामने आपका certificate दिखेगा. You have to download the certificate. So how does the certificate from UNICEF look like? So this is the certificate from UNICEF for the course of vaccine vial monitors. So this is international certificate from UNICEF. If you are biotech and life science student, I think ये certificate आपको बहुत सारी जगह पे काम आने वाला है. If you are not life science or biotech student, you can also enroll that courses and get the free certificate. You can use it as an extracurricular activity. So if you find this video helpful, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and you can also follow us on our Instagram page to get the information about these courses on daily basis. Meanwhile, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.